Welcome to Easy Office Tips with Jay, your channel for making office tasks easier. This video is part of a quick start video series where I will cover top used features for beginners to get you up and running quickly. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods to flip your data around in Excel, also known as transposing the data. The link to download this workbook can be found in the description of this video. Okay, so you may have a data table set up with the items and amount presented horizontally across two rows. And you need to flip it around so it shows vertically across two columns. And the last thing you want to do is retype everything here. So method one, we'll transpose it using the paste special method. And I'll show you step by step how to do this. So first we'll select the two rows and copy it. And you can do that by pressing Control C. And next, we're going to select the cell you want to paste it to. And in this case, we'll paste it to the yellow cell here. And then you can click on the paste button, which is in the home tab here, and choose transpose. And like magic, it'll flip it for you. So just reverting back. Another way to do this using the shortcut keys, which is a little bit faster. Once you've copied the table, all you have to do is press Control Alt V at the same time, and a paste special window will pop up on your screen, and you just have to click transpose, and again, it'll do the same thing, just a little bit faster. So that's method one. Method two will transpose using formulas, which will still do the same thing, and there is a few steps, so follow closely here. First, we would select the same number of rows and columns needed once we flip this. So in this case, it would be 6 rows and 2 columns. And for ease, it would just be the yellow boxes here. And next, in the formula bar, we'll type in the formula, which is transpose, and we'll select the area that we want to transpose. And so don't press enter here yet. Instead, press Control Shift and enter. And that will then put it into an array formula format and instantly flip the table for you over here. And you have just learned how to use two key methods to transpose any information. High five! And if you want to learn more about array formulas, there is additional information in the workbook for you, and also includes some steps on how to troubleshoot. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please support this channel by subscribing and liking this video. I would love to hear your thoughts on other topics I should cover in this channel, and see you in the next video.